My parents find it completely amazing what I'm doing now. I have such an opportunity, and it's amazing that I've found what I am proud of, even in myself, to do for a career in my life. It's inspired me a lot because it just went from a little spark to what I really liked to a massive inspiration. I've always been told I am a girl. I should be at home or in reception or something like that, not really doing what guys do. It's all I've ever known, really, or been told. There's not enough women in the industry, and I really want to inspire even women to be able to come and even give it a try, because you never know what experiences you can have along the way. There's an open day at Aviation Australia. I was very excited because I'm like, that's actually really cool. And I didn't even know there was like different classes like mechanical, structural and avionics. Within the first 5 minutes of entering the building, I already signed up for the course. I know I definitely want to get into helicopters. They've been like my number one since I've actually joined. It's amazing to have that support from also other women, to know that we can fight and do what we are doing. I definitely want to do my apprenticeship and get my license. It's a very special place. There's so many connections, and I've had so much fun, and it's been a massive journey for me to be able to get where I am. That's how I found myself in this career, and it's mine now.